Yes, hello everyone, welcome to our next Family Tech video tutorial. Now guys, for this episode I'm going to show you how to actually assemble this Lite Beam M5 dish. Definitely used to send and receive internet. So here you go guys, put in the dish itself together, slide it in the groove, right, to ensure that it is perfect. Okay, then this back section I'm gonna put it on now. So this section go on the back, as you can see, fit in the hole there. So get the groove of it over that side, add that to clip, and I want this section there to click also, right? So perfect. Then arm section or the middle section, and I get it to fit in perfect. Then this section that actually allow you to mount it on a pole, need to screw it on clockwise, and so that's basically it. This is what would use to cover the section there that the car gonna plug into, and then definitely we will use this brace to actually secure it to the pole. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Definitely you need to leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Family Tech is out of here.